Hi, I'm Kendrick, and we're cooking for love today with Mindful Living Network.
I'm Kathleen Hall, CEO of the Mindful Living Network, and we are going to have fun today with this delicious meal that I know nothing about.
Well, today we are doing Orzo vegetable salad. And our inspiration today, we were thinking about what to do with 4th of July. We always are going to family gatherings, and I don't know about you, but I'm always asked to bring a salad for our family gatherings in Monteagle Mountain. And I get tired of pasta salad and heavy salads and things like that.
Right.
And I love an Orzo salad because it's not so heavy and
Well, and when Kendrick said this about Orzo, I grew up with only two types, macaroni salad. I mean, when we went from elbow macaroni to the little shell, I thought we were on Wall Street. So that or potato salad. So when you thought of Orzo, I'm so excited about this.
Yes.
Because I've heard it's lighter and a different taste.
It is. It has a great structure to it, not so filling. It's almost like a rice from Italy in the Mediterranean, and you can also not only incorporate different flavors but different colors. If you put saffron in it or turmeric, it becomes yellow. If you do black bean, it becomes dark. Here, I just did a little olive oil, and I did a little parsley, a little dill, and some feta cheese, and a little artichoke heart to give it some different flavors. So we'll go right on to it and make it. So,
I'm excited.
So that way you can take it this time to
I'm
your
excited.
family
I
gathering.
can't wait. Yes.
So we'll just it's very simple. We'll start right here. First of all, I'm going to sort of build my flavor profile. And so we'll start out with a little olive oil, just a couple tablespoons. And we'll put the whole recipe on the website so you can find it. And did some beautiful cherry tomatoes. And you can half them or quarter them, however you feel. And doing some dill, which is really very earthy and very nice. And to give it some color, you can always do some Italian parsley. And then I did, to give it sort of a little Italian spice, I did some marinated artichoke hearts, because that incorporates, marinated artichoke hearts do incorporate Italian dressing, Italian seasoning, so that just gives it a little more layering. Now, I like to give it a little citrus pickup, I like to do a little lemon juice. Now, I'm building the flavor profile by itself before I incorporate it into the orzo. So you let it marinate for maybe 10 minutes. I love to zest. I have a zester, and all you do is take the outside, and you just want to get the yellow part. Don't get the white part. That's pithy and very sour. You only want to get just the yellow part. And so I just get
this
that.
This is another thing. I grew up on a farm in Ohio, so I know nothing about zesting. The only close thing to zest I had was soap. Zest soap. So when I heard people were zesting, I thought, hey, great for whatever company makes it. Little did I know it was this, but I got to tell you, I just got my first zester.
And you can't live without it.
No, and a friend of ours who's a surgeon said, be careful.
Be careful, you'll cut yourself. Now, I love to do fresh pepper. I like telecherry, but any kind of pepper will do. I like fresh pepper grounds, and I love fresh sea salt. One thing I want to suggest is you always want to, when you're building your flavor profile, let this marinate for about 5 minutes and then incorporate it. But you want to taste before you serve. Always taste, and you adjust
your flavor profile. See, you're just used to social media profiles. Little did you know that before social media, there were food profiles, flavor profiles, excuse me.
And see, this is it. This is it. Now, also, I want to go ahead and we're going to taste now, but I just fold in the feta cheese, and how easy that is. Now, we're going to go ahead and taste. Why don't you serve us up?
Oh, of course. I have the hard job here.
You have the hard job.
I'm doing the heavy lifting.
That's right. You are. This is our socialite here.
Isn't this beautiful?
Isn't it? Oh, here, I'll serve this for you.
Oh, it's just lovely.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Tell me when to stop.
Absolutely.
Is that enough?
So, and again, before you serve, just taste it and adjust the seasoning. Salt brings the flavor out. So you want enough salt so it brings it out. What do you think? Do you like it? Have I done you proud?
Oh my God, I love it. This is definitely better than a social media profile. Get your own profile going, baby.
So try it. We have the recipe on the
Oh
website.
my God! And the cheese. It's
Isn't it
just
nice?
absolutely delicious.
Very Greek, very Mediterranean.
Very much so. Very different. I love it.
And you can also incorporate some cucumber if you want to have something extra as well. So have fun with it. Add some things to it. You can flavor it up. So, be sure and taste it. Adjust the flavors. So, bon appetit.
And happy
Enjoy.
4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
And I'll ask you a question. How free are you? Okay, examine your freedom thing. That's a whole nother thing on the Mindful Living Network. We have a whole thing about your freedom. But anyway, what am I saying? I'm Kathleen Hall with the Mindful Living Network, and here's my friend Kendrick, and we love you.
Cooking for Love. Come back and see us. Bye-bye.